MasKIT. The mask in the form of a kit. Assemble your MasKIT mask step by step. Open your kit and identify all the items. The flat wire, the elastic, the press, eyelets, washers, and the fabric. Get a hammer and a pair of scissors. Let's get started with the assembly of the mask. Cut out the four corners of the large fabric without cutting through the holes. Center the small fabric over the large one. Make sure the holes are aligned. Place an eyelet in the second hole of the small fabric. Insert it from below. Repeat in the three other corners. Choose a corner, fold the fabric 3 times on itself in the direction of the width. All the holes should overlap to allow the eyelet to be properly inserted through the holes. Repeat this step for the 3 other corners. Make sure that 6 holes separate the 2 eyelets at the top and the bottom. Choose a corner, fold the fabric twice over itself lengthwise. All the holes should overlap to allow the eyelet to be properly inserted through the holes. Repeat this step for the 3 other corners. We will now close the eyelets. Use a board so as not to damage your table. Take a washer, thread it with the rounded side up over an eyelet. Place the press in the eyelet. Hit straight with the hammer. Don't hesitate to hit several times until the washer stops moving. Remove the press. Repeat this step for the 3 other corners. To make the central fold, place an eyelet in the 3rd hole from the corner. Take the flat wire to help you make the fold. Pass the flat wire through the 2nd hole to thread it over the eyelet. Fold the fabric backwards so that the 1st hole goes over the eyelet. The 3 holes must be threaded through the eyelet so that the fabric folds like an accordion. To close the eyelet, thread the washer over it. Place the press on top and hit with the hammer. Remove the press and repeat for the 3 other corners. Make sure that all eyelets are closed securely. The poorly closed eyelet will still spin in the fabric. Hit with the hammer until the eyelets no longer spin. Take the elastic. Pass it from top to bottom through the 1st hole and then through each hole on the same side. Repeat on the other side. To tie the mask behind the head, tie a simple knot. To tie it behind the ears, cut the elastic at the top and tie a knot on each side. Take the flat wire. To place it, unroll one of the 2 folds, place the flat wire and close it. If you have a filter, place it when you put on the flat wire. Your mask is done. To put on the mask, put your head through the hole at the bottom of the mask. The elastic should go to the back of the neck. Then, lower the mask down and place the elastic behind your head. Adjust the mask to cover your nose and chin. Pinch the flat wire in order to allow it to take the shape of your nose.